Hello viewers. In this video, I will show you how we can highlight rows in Excel with current date based on conditional formatting. At first, we will set up dates as rows and then select the region which we need to get highlighted. We will use new formula rule in conditional formatting and write today function to select the row with current date and highlight in the selected area. After writing the formula, we can also set up custom format to differentiate our selected row from the rest of rows. For this, we can use different font color, border and background color.